Hola, what's up everybody? If you guys are interested in any merch, discounts, or tools that I use, please go to the first link in the description. It'll take you to my website. Stay up to date, see all the platforms that I post on, and you can also check out the tool link. Once you click on it, you go here. Everything's broken down into categories, so you can easily find whatever you're looking for. Now enjoy the video. Alright, so today, I wasn't even going to record, so I don't even have my gear, but we have a walk-in cooler. Now, I got called out here, and it's been a while, so... Alright, so I have to quickly check. This is a 3-month and change update, so let's check, because it's the same cooler that I worked on, and I put the press fitting and flare dryers, so this will be a quick update. See if they leaked out, see if we have a different issue, or you know what happened. I forgot to turn this on, so it's warming up. And update on this guy, it started working again after that day that it acted up. Went back and was able to pinpoint that leak again, and it's not giving me any false readings anymore, so I don't know what that was about. So here's our cooler here that's not obviously on, so let's check what I did. Nothing there. I haven't gauged up yet, so we'll see. Let me put in turbo as well, just in case. Nothing here. Nothing on the flare. Alright, so nothing here. I also do not see any oil or anything. So let's go ahead and spray these down. Make sure nothing came loose. Okay. So while that's sitting, let me go ahead and gauge up here. I don't see any oil anywhere. We'll gauge up real quick just to see if our unit should be on, if we have pressure. So we'll do that with our probe. Let me see if I have my tablet in here. All right. So let's see what happens here. Okay, we're gonna go to job link because Measure Quick wants to charge us. You know what? Let's go to Measure Quick and get that nice little reading for you guys. Let's put it in here. You can see that better. Measure Quick, come on. I ain't got time for this. Okay, pretty sure I put classic at the top and it still doesn't go up there. Okay, so we have this. We're dealing with, we're dealing with 407. So there we are. Let's see if we have pressure. And what do you know? We got 142 PSI. So what do you guys think is the problem here? So we're hooked on this on the suction side, and it's reading well over, you know, usually those are rated for 20 to 40 PSI to kick on, or I mean these. Yeah, we're ready for 40. Should be on. Okay, so I ignored my first roll of checking the breakers and disconnects because I wanted to make sure that we didn't have a issue with the RLS, and I wanted to give you guys an update on that. So now that we can verify that we don't have a leak there. Okay, we have a breaker up here, it's tripped. So let's turn that off. And then let's just check our electrical. All right, so checked some of the wires. Nothing to ground or anything. This is a 120 coil, so they do feed one side and then ground the other side to get that 120. Other than that, should have been working, so. This is 20. All right, let's see if something blows up. I got the amps checking also. Turned on. Fan came on too. 13 amp. I gotta check the plate. All right, so I took off everything, no leaks anywhere. I honestly forgot about this unit because they need a new housing. We'll see if they want to get that done. We got that issue there. I didn't even realize that one last time, but those are not leaking. Although right now I've had the cap off for a while there, and it's still going off. So maybe we have a service port leak, as stupid as that sounds, but the gasket's kind of screwed up. So let's see. Just leave it on there loose. Oh shit, we do. All right, so we were a little bit low. I'm just topping it off. It didn't need much. So I can't find a leak anywhere. And now we have this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace that, I think. And then I should get a new cap. Yeah, it's a significant leak and it's been 3 months. It could have just leaked out over time. So that's pretty bad. All right, so let's get our pillbox. Get a shredder out. So we're gonna put a new one. And then I keep losing, or I lost my, I think CPS one. I had another one in here, but here's my core removal tool from Appion. These are the ones that I use for my vacuums. So went and grabbed it real quick. All you're gonna do is put it on. If I can do it one-handed. Probably cannot. Man, it's a Monday. I'm being super forgetful today. I forgot to bring a cap. So usually those things can get toast or just from over tightening them. So be careful. They're just hand tight. Don't over crank them. That's what it should look like. So we're gonna put one of these. You can also use like the flare type, which I don't think I have any of those. If you do want to crank them down, you know, they're gonna look like flare nuts with their caps. Those are gonna seal based on how tight you put them. These, the gasket should hold unless the gasket wears out, which happens pretty often. So, or they fall out completely. So you just got to make sure that that is in there and it looks, you know, pretty decent. So we'll just cap it off. I have the bubble sitting on there, and I'll show you real quick that nothing else is giving us any micro leaks or anything. All right, so I had bubbles on there and nothing happened. I'm running out, so that's why it's going to be a little soapy, but there's no bubbles. All of that's been soaked. No micro bubbles either. You might see some suds because, like I said, this is empty already. So we're gonna remove the old cap, and we'll take that with us, and then put in the new one. So hand tight, just kind of make sure it's on there, and that's it. Now we can turn this back on. It probably tripped because it kept short cycling, and the breaker feels really loose. So this thing's a piece of shit anyway. They never called us back to fix all this. Why? Because it was working. All right, time to pack up. Everything looks good. It's cooling. Hopefully soon I can get you guys some stickers out. If you guys like that one, that's from, it's mine. You can see my name on it, but I gave those to Ben at HVAC Tactical. So if you guys buy any tactical gear within the past like month or so, you should be getting these. I don't know if he gives them out on every order. I just told him to go ahead and distribute them. And then I don't know if I'm gonna give them these, or I might just give them out myself soon. I just ordered some of those. So sticker wall going up. There is a link in the description if you guys want stickers. It's basically a wait list because I only do those every few months, and I know you guys really enjoy the sticker game. So yeah, check out the link in the bio, or check out reliablehvacr.net. Request them and I'll get to you eventually. Just, you'll be on the wait list. That way I don't forget anybody, and you know, enjoy seeing you guys. You know, tag me in those, and show me some pictures of where you put the stickers at. All right, we're at the good old Home Depot. Stocking up after that. We're gonna get some rain. It's super cloudy, super dark, and we're getting ready for maintenance. One of our customers finally gave in, and you know, they want to do maintenance, so we're gonna do that for them. And then it's been 3 months, and I went through that whole system, because I even went in the evaporator, took off all the sides, because we have patched up, you know, some of the U-bends on that one. And I was like, you know, I usually tell the customer once they start, you know, they'll keep popping up. You know, we'll patch 1 or 2, and then like a couple other ones will come out later down the evaporator. But nothing bubbled, nothing went off, nothing set off my leak detector. Tried to check the line set, didn't see anything. So that was 3 months, and it was an update on the RLS fittings, right? So no bubbles, no leaking, no oil whatsoever up there. And we have maintenance with them coming up in about 3 more months. So I'm probably gonna hold on to this, and I'll come back to you, and we'll do a 6-month update. All right, just a quick update. That is the one that has the press fittings. It is now September the 7th. So it's been a few months. We have had absolutely no issues with that. It's running, it's cooling. They haven't complained about anything. So it's still working, no leaks. if it was just the service port, which, you know, I know a lot of people give shit about that, like, oh, you're gonna blame it on the Schrader core on a, you know, Friday afternoon because you want to get home. Sometimes they do leak, so that gasket didn't look good. Oh, and I have not been called back to do any of those recommendations on the housing or anything like that, where it's like, I know it's rubbing out, just try to insulate it. It needs new insulation, needs a lot of stuff, but I have not been approved for that, and I'm not working for free. So when I get approval, we'll make all that tidy, or they might just wait till they need a new unit, because that is an old R22. They're probably going to need a condenser and evaporator, a whole new system pretty soon. So they might just wait till it gives out, which a lot of my customers do. So it is what it is. But as far as those Schrader cores, I never knew if I was over tightening them. So then I kind of backed off a little bit, and then I feel like now maybe I'm under tightening them. So I just went out and bought a torque tool. So we have this one from JB. It is the, you can see the part number there, but it's a Schrader torque tool. And all you do is just, I have these in my tool bags now. Super small, it's just like a little precision screwdriver for your Schraders, and then you turn it till it clicks. So that's just something that I switched to, and makes it, or gives me that peace of mind with the Schraders, right? I don't want them to leak again. Make sure I tighten them good, cap them, and then move on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helped you and cleared up some stuff about the RLS. I am using it quite a bit, and you know, it is what it is. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys.